Hey guys, welcome back to the Summer of Knives 2020. Alright guys, so as you've been watching the series, you do realize that a lot of these knives are mine. I'm not borrowing from anybody, this is just a collection. So some of the knives are users and some of them are just collectors. The Summer of Knives kind of came about when I was going through my collection. I figured you guys would like to see it, and it kind of took off from there. So what I'm going to do is today I'm going to go over my Spyderco EDC knives. These are the knives that I carry on a daily basis. I'm also a knife maker, as you guys know, but I don't mind going out and finding other products and testing other products, and if they work for me, that's great, and hopefully they'll work for you. Now, full disclosure, all the links will be down below. They will be an Amazon store. That Amazon store is mine. I get like 20 cents every time you guys purchase a knife or any other products on there. I'll have all the links below. And again, if I get some of the information incorrect, I apologize. You guys probably know more about these knives than I do. However, that being said, these knives are fantastic, and I really appreciate other knife makers' work. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. The first one is the Spyderco Talisman Salt. Okay, Talisman, I want to say that correct. It is the lightweight FRN, and it is the H1 steel. It is a hook bill. Has that nice hollow grind right there. And for guys that are not familiar with this type of style, it could be very, very nasty in a self-defense situation. So be very careful. Also check your knife laws. FRN, it does not have any liners inside, as you can see. So FRN, if you don't know what that is, that's that hard plastic fiberglass reinforced. Nylon is polymer mixed with glass and fiber, injected with molded form texture, lightweight, hand straight knife bundles, blah 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 blah. Hollow grind. Specifications: the closed blade overall is 4 1/4. Overall length, the blade length is 2.8, and the steel is H1 hollow grind. So it also has a nice locking blade in the back, very small package. I really do like this blade. I typically carry this one as a secondary knife and maybe one of the larger ones as a primary. So really cool blade. Again, that is the Spyderco Talisman Salt 2 in FRN. Alright, so if you're interested, I'll put the link down below. The second one is the Monarch II, lightweight, same thing, black FRN. This one does happen to have the Spyderco serrations, and it also has the, I forget what they call this, the pocket flipper, the S-blade curve downward. So this is a blade shaped to resemble backwards letter S. Typically this knife is mostly made for self-defense. Let's see, we have a hollow grind. It comes with bevels that are ground, concave radius. The bevel extends to a full width of the blade, full of hollow ground. Spider edge blade, two-step serrations. You guys can see that. That's pretty nasty. That's wicked. The pattern increases the cutting edge by 24%. Specifications: 4.98 overall. The blade length is 3.57 inches. And it comes with a hollow grind. The steel is made from VG10. So let's talk about this a little bit. It is black. Again, check your local laws. This thing is super sharp. You can use it to open boxes, but mostly it's to open up animals. All right, two-legged or four. It does have the same lockback design. Really nice. I did cut myself with this one, so I'm trying to be very careful. It does have liners inside of it, steel liners. I don't know if you can see that. Pocket clip is reversible and tip up and tip down. Spyderco overall, fantastic design, really lightweight design, nice pocket clip. Big fan of that. Okay, so that is the Monarch, and again that one's going for $126, so it's $126. I never said that the knives that I like were cheap. Okay. The next one has been in my pocket almost every day religiously within the last couple months. This is the Spyderco Police 4 lightweight FRN in black. It is a VG10 steel. It has the lockback on it. I'm sorry. It is the police model, so it's a very long blade. That's a 4-inch blade. It is flat ground, if you can see that, with the secondary edge. Alright, this does have liners inside, as you can see that. And you can see that I typically wear this almost all the time as an EDC knife. Alright, this blade again is going in for $115.50 on Amazon. Alright, I kind of like this size blade. I'm a big fan of it. Very good utility use, and it also gives you a lot of purchase if you need to reach out and touch somebody with that. Alright, the clip is 4-way positionable, so up, tip down, tip up, tip down, right or left side pocket. Alright, as you can see, this one I use a lot. Alright, big fan of that knife. $115.50. Alright, next one is the Spyderco Yohimbo 2. This is the specialty tactical folding knife with 3.2 CPM S30V steel black Warncliffe blade style. Ergonomic design, has a secure grip on it. This is made out of, this has G10, I'm sorry, it's G10. Really nice blade, has a hollow grind. It's a little bit smaller than I like. I kind of like a longer blade, but that's just me. You can see that. Nice ergos on this handle. Excellent ergos on this handle. Either up or down. Really nice ergos. The lock is the locking back, so it has this kind of, or you can use the Spidey hole, but the lock is on the back of the knife. Really cool. Again, 4-way positionable. Alright, the next one is the oldest one that I have as far as EDC. It is the Paramilitary 2 in signature midnight blue. A lot of people call this the Blurple. Folding knife is 3.42 inches and it's CPM S100V steel with G10. Coming in at $166.50. This is a very expensive knife. It does come in different colors and combinations. Again, great blade. I've EDC'd this quite a bit. For me, the blade's a little bit short. I know they make a paramilitary that's almost the size as the Police, so I can get a bigger blade if I like. Again, it has that lock back on the back of the knife, lanyard hole, 4-way positional. Really nice blade. This is what you would call one of those fidgety blades, or someone that has that constant Spidey flick addiction. I'm not too good at it. Alright, but really cool knives. This is what I would consider to be an EDC blade for me. I know everybody has their own opinions, their own likes, their own dislikes. I'm going to put all the links down below. And like I said, for full disclosure, if you're interested, just click on the link down below to send you right over to the Amazon page and you purchase it. I make a couple pennies. Also, if you guys are interested, please go to threeriverblades.com. I make all handmade, US made custom knives, and that's how you help support the channel. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, be safe.